Hey guys, what's up? Elders from TopTradingReviews.com. Today is the 7th of January 2019. Let's get started. So the automated crypto system, what's been happening, how am I doing, how you guys doing? Leave it down in the comments below. If you want to join the giveaway I'm doing, you can still join. You need the 250 deposit. You have to be my client to join the giveaway, but don't worry guys, I'm gonna be doing more giveaways. If you're still new, you haven't joined, or you're skeptical, everything's in the near future. But if you want to join, link will be in the outro video, how to join, how to progress, and you're able to win $500 in cash for PayPal, Skrill, whatever. Anyway, no further ado, automated crypto system, let's go. So I want to show you my trades. I got 6 trades open. As you can see, I got 1,500 in profit, which is amazing. To be fair, I opened all those trades on the automated feature yesterday, and they're doing really well. To be fair, I can't believe the system is actually performing this well. Comparing it to the Callaway software that I used to trade, this is way better. I'm making way a lot more money. And as you can see, I've requested the withdrawal as well. I had 4.5 grand last video. I closed all those trades up and I had 4.5 grand, so I took 3 grand out. I placed some Ripple trades on the weekend. However, the Ripple trades were doing good. I'm gonna show you. They were doing good, but I placed them kind of late, and it didn't work out for me too much. I didn't make a lot of money. However, those who placed the trades once I spoke about them, you should have made quite a bit of money. As you can see, this is the Ripple trades. Let's just go into an hourly. Do you remember the support and resistance lines I'm drawn about the zones and whatnot? So this was the place when I talked about, so I'll just remove this. This was the candle I was talking about. It was going. As you can see, if you placed it over here, okay, it would have, one day would have passed and this candle would have here. If somebody entered over here, on this zone that I was talking about, that's when you should have entered. And look at that. If you had this somewhere around here, where is the... If you had your take profit somewhere around here, like I said, sometimes 70 to 80%, you want to close off your trade, or open up 2 trades, and let's say one of them, has a bigger amount and the next one has a smaller amount, but a higher take profit, just in case it reaches, you can make a bit more money. So those who are, placed their Ripple trade, congratulations, you made money. Those who haven't, don't worry, we're gonna, provide more signals in the near future. I'm trying to open a signals group, trying to find out all the ins and outs, what I need. Apparently with our trade you need to open up a self-employed company, so I need to do that, and there's a lot of other hassle, that I need to do. So just bear with me, because I want to do our trade, because I'm already trading with our trade, so I don't want to jump around with different platforms. And I don't know, I just feel like if I'm trading Forex on my own, I want to have my own place that I know what I'm doing straight away. So that's what I'm gonna do, and hopefully you guys join up. But for now, let's just go back to the automated crypto system. As you can see, all of these trades haven't reached my take profit as of yet, but I usually wait. If it's really near my take profit, or I'm thinking you might turn back, you just close the trade. You just click close and you take all your money. That's what you want to do, because that's the safest way to gain money. What's the point of waiting for 10 pips and then it might turn around and it's like a minus 100 pips and you're already not in the profit? So you want to close out sometimes, or you, as I said, you want to maybe place 2 to 3 trades, and just the lot sizes are different. So let's say if you trade in 0.10 lots, so you trade your first trade, which is gonna probably reach your take profit, is gonna be 0.05, and then you're gonna trade 0.03 the next one, and maybe 0.02. So you divide the lot size of 0.10 to 3 different trades, and the take profit levels are exponentially getting higher and that's how you do it. And even if they start dropping, you know, like let's say your take profit 2 or take profit 3, you're not losing any money if you already took the take profit 1 trade. You'll just break even, or you'll profit as well. So it's really good. That's the technique I'm using. I've always been using that on the Forex markets. It's really good. You kind of differentiating and splitting a little bit. It's better for me. That's how I've been trading. Also, I just thought maybe let's have a look at like Euro USD and how I analyze the Forex markets in general. What I usually start up with is just monthly. Straight up go to the monthly and have a look what's actually going on throughout the years. You know, where is it actually moving? What's happening with Euro? So as you can see over here, we have this little trend going on. If we look here, we had this little trend of downtrend. You see, obviously it's from 2009, so it's not, you know, proper meaningful information for us, since we are, you know, swing trading, and you know, we're keeping our trades 1 to 2 days. Unless you're a long-term trader like me, then I'll explain everything. But if you're like a swing trader, 1 day or 2 days, it doesn't really matter. However, you know, there's a massive trend line over here, as you can see, and it's going down, you know. And at the moment it is going down, and it's, as you can see over here, let me just mark it. This horizontal line over here, as you can see, it's hit a resistance line. As you can see, it's kind of peaking, but it's not really doing anything. So let's look at the weekly. So once we look at the weekly, we can see a little bit more what's happening, you know. As you can see, this line over here, this green line, let me just put it here, make it maybe a little bit smaller because it's harder to see. Hopefully you guys can see this line. So as you can see over here, you see he kept touching, he had like it's a little breakouts, but it didn't break out. If the candlestick, you know, doesn't close and the wick is just there, that doesn't count as a breakout. It means just it's a fake breakout, and basically it hasn't done anything and don't mean shit, to be fair. So then we go, you know, you analyze through monthly, weekly, then daily. You go into daily, and then that's where you see a lot of stuff going on. So what you need to do is just basically make it a little bit bigger. Sorry, my internet's kind of slow today. I can have to wait a little bit. So what's been happening? As you can see, it's kind of in the consolidation phase at the moment. It went down here, and then it touched, you know, touched again, and keeps touching, and now it wants to, it seems like with this green candle over here, it's trying to break out. If the candlestick, the daily candlestick, actually closes, no, above this green line that I have marked, a little bit above over here, if it actually closes, this means it's a breakout. That will mean that we are waiting for a pullback. What we want to do is this green candle to break, and then have a little pullback back to this, well, it was a previous resistance line, but resistance lines become support if it breaks. So if it breaks, we're gonna have it as support, and then we want to enter the trade, because hopefully it's gonna shoot to around this level over here. I will try to explain it a little bit better in a second. Let me just basically what I want this green candle like there over here, so it breaks. This green candle over here, this big one, this green candle, it breaks. What will happen? We want a pullback. So what will happen? We want a pullback. We want it to go back there to the previous resistance, which is now support, and then we want it to shoot back over here to this line. So basically it will break. It probably won't break as much over here, you know, break somewhere here. As long as it closes, the candlestick, the daily candlestick actually closes, then we can, you know, go into the 4-hourly chart, you know, and see and enter the trade over there, because, you know, in the 4-hourly chart we can see the candles moving a little bit and see some structure between the candles. You know, we want to see what it's doing. At the moment, you see it's breaking this green candle, but it don't mean nothing if it hasn't broken the daily candle. It might be a fake one. Once it breaks the, you know, the candle closes in a daily, this is a good confirmation that this is gonna, you know, go out from this consolidation phase, and it might start moving up. So what we want to do is basically wait for this candle to go through this line over here, then to move back. So once it starts moving back, and that's where you go into your 4-hourly and see if it goes back, and you see some kind of resistance, some kind of wick, that's when you enter the trade, and you basically wanna, you know, mark up. So basically this support line over here, the next support line, that's where you want to hit your first take profit. And then maybe, you know, if you enter 3 trades or 2 trades, let's say take profit 1 level and take profit 2, so first take profit you would go for, so first take profit level you would go for over here, and then maybe your second one over here. You know, it depends on the situation and the momentum of the of the markets, and also the news. So you have to look at the Forex FX Street news. I always recommend FX Street. I've been using it for years. You should too. So if you wanna, you know, use FX Street, see what's going on and see what fundamental news is happening. You can also read on Google articles what's happening with the fundamental news and what other people are thinking. I don't recommend people's opinions in general, you know, like if you're trading Forex on your own, you need to learn to basically stick with your opinion. If you think it's gonna go down, it's gonna go down, but just read the news yourself and then make your own decision. Don't listen to like these, some of these Forex websites have, oh, if it breaks it's gonna go there. No, just don't do it. It's some other guy, you know, explaining his own personal view, but that doesn't mean it's gonna be correct, because this is Forex. You know, you just go with the gut that you think, okay, this is gonna do, and money manage. If you money manage, you don't even need to win 50% of the trades. You can go lower and still make money on Forex. So that's what I'm saying, guys. If you know, do that, you're gonna be making money. And that's just wanted to show you some little, you know, video how I trade, and maybe it explains a little bit better. If it doesn't, guys, let me know in the comments, and I will literally write a script of how I actually trade and place the trade, and maybe even show you on my AvaTrade account how I'm trading Forex in general, and maybe you'll, you know, have more confidence in my signals in general in the near future once I have them. But for now, we're still trading on the automated crypto system, which is obviously doing really well. Yeah, guys, I just was gonna talk to you guys a little bit about, you know, I'm doing very well at the moment. I'm feeling good. I'm getting back on track. So videos are coming in. I'm gonna be doing scam reviews now. You know, daily, basically. You know, I want to keep the momentum going. And also I heard a new software is coming out which I'm interested, you know, to see, but this is in the near future. All new softwares, you know, we're gonna be comparing the automated crypto system between this one. The other software that is coming out is actually literally people working on and providing signals, which would be very interesting. I have no idea about it. I didn't demo test it this time. I didn't do anything, so I don't know, but I just heard from people that something like that is coming out, so I'll be very interested, you know, to find out what it is. Anyway, thought I'll talk to you guys like this, and yeah, take care, guys. Have a nice day. If you want to invest in the automated crypto system, you can do. Link down in the description below. Minimum deposit is $250, euros or Great British pounds, it doesn't matter. It's $250 if you want to enter. Obviously the broker is gonna allow 100 or $100, 100 euros, but the software is not gonna work if you invest $100. It's $250 minimum. You have to, you know, bear that in mind. And yeah, guys, take care, have a nice day, and goodbye.